Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to another video. Well, sort of another video again. In this video, I am going to repair the Marbella QB6 dashcam, which I tried to fix the power button and the OK button. But as it turns out, it does not go well, as you will later see in this video. I originally uploaded as a 4-part series, but as of the low viewership and wanted to compress into one video, well, here you go guys, as you are watching in this video. So, if you guys wondering when I created all 4 videos, right, I recorded in one day and uploaded separately on June 12 to June 17, 2022, which is basically last year lah. Plus, additionally, the duration of the video is atrociously long also. Without further ado, let's move on to the Marbella QB6 dashcam repair saga. So, to begin, as you see in this video, how I going to get the buttons to be able to navigate the dashcam UI and stuff. So what I did is I used the front control board which I harvested from an Aquila set-top box, which I tried to repair as it wasn't functioning after a few months past using it, but ended up failed miserably and I ended up throwing in the e-waste bin away, and this is where I get the control board in the first place. I have made a video about the Aquila set-top box in the past, but due to me transferring my videos from my defunct, now currently inactive YouTube channel onto this channel that you are watching right now, I did some kind of compilation of some sort on my channel, so do check it out at the top right hand corner over there. Moving on, after I gotten the control board, I desoldered the micro switch push button and the wires, which both I have done already off camera, out from the front control board, and the few pieces which I can keep for future projects and etc. In continuation, I cut out the outer rubber insulator of the wire, which reveals the bare tinted copper wire, and soldered onto the micro switch push button, which will be going to be our power button and our OK button. After I have done soldering the wires onto the micro switch push button, I soldered down the switch with the wires attached onto the dashcam logic board, and additionally making sure that I connected the wires in the correct place. Unfortunately, even though I tried to connect the wires in the first place, it does not work, and I have to resort back to my tweezers to jumpstart the dashcam, which works off camera before I start making this video. In addition, I didn't realize that I have taken apart the dashcam plastic housing and the wires didn't go through the holes which originally holds the plastic buttons, which I have long thrown away. But in the end, I don't even bother to put the wires through the housing there. Tried continuing diagnosing the problems, such as placing the right solder pads on the logic board for the power buttons and the OK buttons, testing the voltages on the dashcam logic board pads, which is 5 volts, and the continuity for the micro switch push button, which I can tell it works because it beeps according to the multimeter, and adding a battery just in case, but unfortunately it doesn't fucking work. So in the end of part 4, which it can be a separate video in short form or upload as a YouTube shorts in the future, I destroyed the dashcam in the end, and I recycled the dashcam away, which I have smashed into a million pieces straight into the e-waste bin where it belongs to, located at my local community center. Well, that's it for this Marbella QB6 dashcam power button and OK button fix saga, which I tried to fix, but as of this, using SMD components for the push buttons, I didn't have the equipment like a hot air station, solder paste, etc. on hand. Plus, I didn't have the knowledge right to do any of those micro soldering skills, which if in the future I can do it right, I will surely do it properly and done it professionally, so that you guys can do it right, unless you have the proper equipment to work on. Well, actually, in my opinion, I can tell you straight right, fixing your dashcam is not worth unless you know how to fix it. You can find the parts, the source of parts, or you can just take from a donor dashcam which has the power button thingy, the push button, the miniaturized power button. Then you can transfer from the donor to the dashcam that you are wanting to fix on. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you have not subscribed, do consider like, comment, share and subscribe. As of currently, according to my YouTube Studio Analytics, 98.9% of you did not subscribe to this channel, but please do consider subscribing. I'm not forcing you. That's it for this video, and I catch you guys in the next video. Peace.